Welcome to the Digital Wealth Academy YouTube channel, your go-to resource for creating wealth and achieving financial freedom. I am Director Simon, a media executive, entrepreneur, a farmer, an investor, and a peer-to-peer wealth creation and personal growth advocate. Here on the Dua Show, we break down everything, legitimate ways and opportunities to earn money online and offline, from Nigeria to US stock trading, agriculture, real estate opportunities, crypto airdrops, starting and growing a YouTube channel, e-commerce, smart investment, and thought-provoking sessions to reposition your mind on wealth creation. Whether you're a student, you're a 9-to-5er, someone ready to escape the rat race, we've got the tools, strategies, and insight to help you succeed. And guess what? We are building a community to help you build wealth without burning out. You don't want to miss this opportunity for anything. Trust me, this is something that you want to grab happily and joyfully. So subscribe and follow us. Join the growing community of smart earners and investors. New videos weekly, proven strategies, and real results. You don't want to miss out on any of this. Follow me on Facebook at Simon Obo, LinkedIn at Director Simon Obo, Instagram at The Eyes of Africa, so you don't miss a single tip. Building wealth is possible. If you're willing, I am in, and the rest will be history.